All right. So, Nafisa, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly, sir.
Okay, so we are starting with you. We've been waiting for the second person since, so it's nowhere to be found. So, you start by telling us your name, the group you're representing, the name of your brand, and you start your presentation. Please, you can start.
Okay, sir. I'm going to share my screen.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Nafisa Murtada, and I am representing Group 6 today. Our project is on Euros Enterprise, who is a Nigerian-made fashion brand. And this presentation focuses on the business problem analysis as well as the strategic solutions we've brought about to help the brand grow, attract loyal customers, and also to improve sales performance. The brand Leros is a Lagos-based ready-to-wear fashion brand that offers stylish, high-quality clothing for both men and women. The brand focuses on affordable Nigerian luxury wear, from dresses and shirts to classy, casual, and formal outfits. They are designed to make customers look confident, unique, as well as fashionable every single day. The business type is an online boutique, ready-to-wear fashion, and they're currently located in Lagos, Nigeria, although they were previously located in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Their primary audience are men and women from the ages of 18 to 35 and 35 to 65 as their secondary audience. The product they sell are they focus on are Nigerian made wares, imported clothing like shirts, pants, and dresses. From our research, we're able to identify the key business problems they have, and they are low sales, weak social media presence, distance barrier after relocation, as well as poor customer service. Now, our project goal. Our project goal is to build a strong online presence that drives consistent sales as well as customer loyalty. We want customer base that would buy today and come back tomorrow. We want customers that would buy today and refer the brand to their friends to say, oh, come and buy from the Rose Enterprise. They delivered what I got. So who are we speaking to? We are speaking to young professionals and students, men and women from the ages of 18 to 35, working mothers and older women from the ages of 35 to 65. And the common language they speak are English, Pidgin, and trendy slangs. They are also located in states like Lagos, Enugu, Aba, Port Harcourt, and Abuja. From our research, we're able to also identify the audience pain points because to bring about solution, we need to know what we are helping them with. And some of their pain points are limited access to affordable, high-quality Nigerian wares. They believe local fashion are of low quality and they prefer foreign-made wares, although price is a barrier. They also want to look unique and fashionable without overspending. They need vendors that would respond fast and deliver reliably. Now, here are some of the strategic solutions we have developed for Leroy's enterprise. And number one, we're starting with social media audit and optimization for the three social media accounts that they're making use of, which are Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp. We're also bringing about a content strategy focusing on the remaining 3 months of the year, which we termed as the Q3, which stands for Quarter 3 Campaign Focus. We are also implementing a paid advertising strategy focusing on meta ads, customer service improvements, as well as logistics and delivery system. Moving on, here are their social media accounts. On my left-hand side, I have their TikTok page where they currently have a follower base of 969 followers and a following base of 956 followers. And these followers were not gotten from posting consistently and gathering customers organically. They were gained from TikTok growth engagement groups where one person would follow when they'll be in a group and I'll follow me back. And that was the whole process to getting the followers. In the center here, I have their Lero's Facebook page where they currently have 59 followers. And this was gotten from a page engagement campaign, which gathered them these 59 followers. Also here, they have their WhatsApp catalog. And what's so nice about this catalog is they're able to show the products they have in stock and also the prices attached. So it makes it easier for customers to come in, check the prices and make payment, pick what they want and go ahead with payment. Here is proof of the Here is proof of their post engagement ad that was run on some of the products they currently sell. And by the right hand side, you can see that they got engagement of how much, where the brand actively responded with the prices of each of the items. So for the social media audit and optimization, we are going to be doing a full page audit, also updating the bio with value proposition. Currently, on their TikTok page, on their TikTok account, their bio is written as deals on all unisex wears, your best fashionista. And we would like to improve, we are proposing to improve it too. We help style conscious individuals who hate looking basic stand out with affordable, high quality Nigerian made wears. We also want to maintain a consistent logo across platforms to foster trust. Here on their Facebook page, they have a nice looking profile picture and cover photo, and we would like to run that across the rest of their platforms. We're also going to be setting up Facebook Marketplace, posting consistently, optimize their current TikTok account so that it can work as a business account. We are going to re-engage the audience they currently have instead of building another one from scratch. We're also going to be making use of trendy sounds and hashtags. We want to optimize their WhatsApp business catalog to have up-to-date products that they have in stock. Here is our content strategy for their Q3 campaign theme, which we've titled Stand Out This December, Don't Do Oblate Looking Like Everybody. Here are the content type, the percentage of how much we want to be pushing this content out, and the purpose. For the content type, we are showing showcasing products for about 50%, where we are sharing new arrivals, available pieces with styling, limited stock alert, and restock. And what best about this campaign is how this December period, everybody wants to go out, everybody wants to party before the new year comes in, and they are very likely to go out and run into other people looking the same way they do, because almost everybody is shopping from a set of business owners. So they are just pushing out almost the same designs, almost the same pieces. So what we are bringing to them is unique pieces that they would not find on someone else when they go out. We're also going to be sharing fashion tips and styling for about 25%, where we are sharing 3 ways to style this piece, how to look expensive on a budget, December outfit ideas. And we're also sharing customer reviews and user-generated content, because we know it's all nice to share a creative and run ads with it, come and buy what I'm selling. But when you are pushing out a creative, or when you're trying to sell something and you keep putting it out there, okay, come and buy. If you can show that, oh, somebody has bought from us before, and this is what the person has to say about it, and it is something positive, definitely it is going to motivate those that are pushing it out there. It is going to motivate those that are pushing it out there to come to make purchase and to come and buy from us. So we are also going to be sharing behind the scenes for about 10%, where we are sharing packing of orders, unboxing new arrivals, day in the life of Leo Rose, who is the CEO. We want our audience to also feel like want them to know that they are part of a family. We don't want just to be pushing out, come and buy. We also want to take them through a journey so that they feel part of a community. So here are some of the content ideas we have for our campaign: funny skits, relatable memes, urgency posts, educational content, testimonial styles, trend-based content, value proposition. Example of the funny skit is, point of view, you went to 3 events and you saw 5 people in your outfits. Of course, nobody wants that when it's not an Owambe. So here are our posting schedule for TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp. We've considered the posting time for each account, what posting times work for each account. And finally, to the most interesting part, here is the paid advertising strategy, where we are making use of meta ads. The monthly budget is 20,000 naira, and the campaign objectives we want to be running are awareness campaign for reach and brand visibility, engagement campaign for likes, comments, shares, and traffic campaigns to gain leads, to gather leads, DM, and WhatsApp orders. And we've shared the budget. For awareness, we are spending 5,000 naira. For engagement, we are spending 5,000 naira. And for traffic campaign, we are spending 10,000 naira. Now, our targets are to Lagos and major cities. We've also our ages are from the ages 18 to 35, as we have our primary and secondary audience, as well as our goal is very simple: to generate leads and to drive sales. So here is proof of the previous post engagement that was run. In their last engagement campaign, the post reached 4,834 people and gathered 5,208 views with 54 interactions. For this month, we're not just chasing higher reach, we want that reach to translate into engagement and sales inquiries. So, sorry. So while we aim for a 50% increase in reach, we are also targeting a 30% boost in engagement and at least 50 WhatsApp leads by the end of the month. So customer service improvements. For WhatsApp, we are bringing in automated tools for quick response for WhatsApp and Facebook. We also have a response time goal of 1 to 2 hours. No customer would be left unattended for more than 2 hours. We're also going to be communicating clear business hours to know what time we are going to be functioning and replying to DMs. For logistics, the brand is going to partner with trusted pack drivers who will deliver every customer's orders to their respective locations. Finally, how we measure success. We measure success through Meta Ads Manager analytics, click-through rates, cost per click, reach, also WhatsApp DM volume, follower growth and engagement insights, customer feedback and repeated orders, as well as the sales tracking. The number of orders we're able to accumulate at the end of each week and month. So our mission is very simple. We want to make Leroy's Enterprise visible, make customers loyal, and make sales consistent. Thank you very much.
Nafisa,
Yes, sir.
thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir.
I don't have any question at all. So, Jiso, how far? Please, do you have a question for Nafisa?
Yeah, not for now, not for now. I only have praises. Well done. Well done on the presentation.
Thank you, sir.
The second person has not yet logged in, so I didn't know what we are going to do about that person. If to just reward the person 0, or to just give the person more time to just come in. Yeah, and if you belong to group 5, okay? If you belong to group 5, send a message to come and represent your group before time runs out, right? Before time runs out. We are waiting. We are waiting. This is the most detailed analysis I've done so far. I'll tell you the truth. The most detailed.
Thank you, sir.
All the questions I want to ask, you've already presented everything. So no question at all.
Thank you, sir.
No question. Group 5 representative, send me a message, or Group 5 group member. You are playing with 0. 0 and negative. You are playing with 0 and negative. Okay, in the absence of the second representative, so please, you can comment with anything you want to say now, because that means you won't be staying long on today's presentation.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. First of all, I like how data backed your presentation is, and because for me, for us, like at Adgenius Hub, like we are a data-driven digital marketing agency, so we don't just like come up with a campaign or optimize a campaign just for the sake of it. We do it based on data, based on what we find out. So I love the fact that you back them up with data. So okay, let me just ask one question. So during your research process, okay, first of all, what type of research did you do, and where did you look? What did you look for? Yeah, let me ask that, because I'm very big on research, so I love to ask people questions on research and know their thought process on it. Do you get that?
Yes, sir. We carried out a brand research, audience research, as well as creative research. We also carried out social media research to see what type of content would work for each platform. Yes, so for brand research, we research what the brand is about, how what they do, who they are trying to talk to, their target audience. For the audience research, we checked what their pain points are, how we can help them. For the creative research, we checked for what kind of content they would align with, what kind of content will work with them. And we saw that entertainment and based content, educational based content. And that was why we implemented in our campaign, we implemented what's it called? Funny contents. For example, the example I gave, like POV, you went to an event and you saw five people looking like you. So those are the research we made. Then the social media research, we also checked that what type of content would work for each platform, because we know that yes, what would work on TikTok might work for Facebook Reel, but it won't work for Facebook feed. And also we did not okay, this is not part of the question. So that's it, sir.
Well done, well done. See, I can see, I can see that like you truly understand what you're doing. So I'll score you 11/10, like based on your answer. Like I'm
I will
impressed.
not.
I'm impressed.
I will not give her 11/10. No, I'm giving her 20/10. She said 20/10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So since we've tried to call group 5 members to come here, we didn't see any one of them. I think this is where we are stopping for today. We continue tomorrow. So if you are having presentation tomorrow, you see how today's presenter has impressed us. We are expecting nothing less. Huh? We are expecting nothing less from you as well. Okay? So you can have a very great day and a very great night. And thank
Thank you,
you very
sir.
much for that. All right. All
Yes.
right. Yeah.